I'm Bree from My Abiding Home, and today I'm going to show you how to make some simple beeswax candles using certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils or over-the-counter, just bigger quantity essential oils. All you're going to need is some beeswax, coconut oil, a hot glue gun, some wicks, and a bowl and a pot to make a double broiler. And then some kind of container to use to make the candles. It's super fun if you can go to the thrift store and just gather random containers, but I just have some jars I'm going to be using today, so go ahead and follow along.
Welcome to My Abiding Home. This is a place where I share encouragement as a Christian wife and mother in things like discipleship, wholesome food, natural living, and DIY.
We're going to start by just adding the beeswax to the glass bowl. I have some yellow beeswax left over from a previous project. I'm just going to use that up. And then I bought a huge 10-pound box of organic pure beeswax off of Amazon. Excuse me, it's actually not organic. It's pure and filtered though. So I'm going to combine that. So I do prefer to buy raw, unfiltered, local beeswax from the small business that I get my honey from, but it was more budget friendly this year to just buy it in bulk, already in pellets, less work for me as well. So I'm gonna use about 2 cups. It might be a little more, a little less, but it doesn't need to be exact. Maybe it's closer to 3 cups. I will put the proper measurements in the blog post for you. Then we're gonna go ahead and add some coconut oil. You can use a different oil, but something that has a high smoke point so it doesn't burn. My hands are clean. I've got about a 1/4 cup of coconut oil there that I'm going to use. Okay, so next I'm going to go ahead and add about 1 inch of water at the bottom of my pot. I'm going to go place this on the burner, and then I'm going to, once the water is heated and starts to simmer, I'm going to place my bowl on top until all of the ingredients are melted. And then I'm going to go ahead and add 50 drops of desired oil, either over the counter, or if you want to make it super good stuff, you can use your good oils. You'll need about 50 drops though, so it will use up a good amount of your certified pure therapeutic grade oil, so that's why I opt for using the cheap brand for candles, since I'm not putting it on my body or using it internally. And then while this is melting, what we'll do is we're going to go ahead and get the wicks hot glued to the bottom of the jars, and I'll go ahead and show you how to do that as well. I like to use a pencil or a skewer to help hold the wick in place so it doesn't fall over when I pour in the wax, so follow along. Okay, so while we're waiting for everything to melt in the double broiler, we're going to go ahead and hot glue gun the wicks to the bottom of the jars. I have some kebab skewers I'm going to use to hold the wick up above the jar. This is going to hold the wicks up when I pour in the wax so that it doesn't fall over. You're going to want a plate or something to put underneath your glue gun so you don't get glue on your countertop. Go ahead and put some hot glue on the bottom of your wick. You want to move quickly. And place it as close to the center of your container as possible. And then we're going to go ahead, I'm going to break these in half.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you were encouraged in DIY candle making today. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a video. Have a blessed day.